point, line, line segment and ray. A dot represents a point. A point is an exact location or position with no size. It means the point has no width, no length, and no depth. It can be named using capital letters. Look at the figure. The dot was named point A. Draw 2 point, name point B and point D. What have you noticed with point B to point D? There is a straight line with arrows on both ends. This figure with 2 arrowheads represents a line. A line can extend indefinitely in both directions. This is line BD or capital BD with line symbol on top. This symbol is used in naming lines. What have you noticed with point E to point F? There are no arrows at both ends. This figure is called line segments. It has 2 endpoints. It can never extend indefinitely to any direction. This is line segment EF or line segment FE. It can be also written as capital EF or FE with line segment symbol on top. This symbol is used in naming line segments. How will you describe the figure? This figure has an endpoint on one end and an arrowhead on opposite direction. This figure is called a ray. A ray has an endpoint and an arrowhead which extends indefinitely to one direction. This symbol is used in naming a ray. So, it is read as ray CD with ray symbol on top, or ray CD. Let's have some exercises. What are the points in the figure below? Point P, point O, point S, point B, point Q. What are the lines in the figure below? Lines PQ and BS are extended indefinitely on both ends, which are represented by arrows at both ends. Hence we get line PQ or QP and line BS or SB. What are the line segment in the figure below? The points P, O, and points O, Q, are joined by a straight line, and same with points B, O, and points O, S. Hence we get line segment PO, line segment OQ, line segment BO, and line segment OS. What are the line rays in the figure below? Points OP joined by a straight line segment which is extended at one side forms a ray. Same with points OQ, points OB, points OS. Hence we get ray O page, ray OQ, ray OB, and ray OS. Observe the figure given and identify 1. All the points. 2. Any two line segments. 3. Any three rays. 4. A lines. A point is represented as a dot. Hence, the points in the given figure are A, B, C, D, E and F. The points B, D are joined by a straight line so that you get a line segment BD. The points B, F are joined by a straight line so that you get a line segment BF. The 2 points B, E joined by a straight line segment which is extended at one side forms a ray BE. The 2 points B, C joined by a straight line segment which is extended at one side forms a ray BC. The 2 points B, A joined by a straight line segment which is extended at one side forms a ray BA. A line AC is extended indefinitely on both ends which are represented by arrows at both ends, hence we get a line. Practice A. Directions. Fill the blank with the correct word to complete the sentences. Practice B. Directions. Study the figure below and answer the following questions for each number. Practice C. Direction. Write the letter of the correct answer.